Cut off useless contacts. Cutting off useless contacts or toxic relationships is essential for maintaining a healthy and positive social circle. Here's why and how you can do it. Why is it important to cut off useless contacts? Number 1. Energy drain. Useless contacts can drain your energy and negatively impact your emotional well-being. Number 2. Lack of support. If someone isn't supportive or actively hinders your growth, they might not be worth your time. Number 3. Negative influence. Toxic relationships can influence your behavior and outlook negatively. Number 4. Limited time. Life is short, and spending time with people who don't add value takes away from opportunities to connect with those who do. How to cut off useless contacts. Number 1. Evaluate your relationships. Take some time to assess your relationships and identify those that aren't bringing any positivity to your life. Number 2. Set boundaries. Establish healthy boundaries to protect yourself from negative influences and demands on your time. Number 3. Communicate honestly. If possible, have an open and honest conversation with the person about your feelings and decision to distance yourself. Number 4. Gradual distancing. If direct communication is difficult, gradually reduce your interactions with them. Number 5. Focus on positive connections. Invest your time and energy in relationships that lift you up and contribute positively to your life. Remember, cutting off useless contacts may not always be easy, but it's an important step towards personal growth and a more fulfilling social circle. Surrounding yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals can significantly impact your overall well-being and happiness.